Dad, I am so hungry today.
We will eat dinner at home soon.
It does, but it can be crowded and messy. Lily, you had a long day at school.
Dad, I really want to go.
If we go, you must be careful.
Okay, you can own knots. You can only eat a little.
Uh-huh.
And you must stay close to me.
Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad.
Then we can go after dinner.
Thank you, Dad. Dry. Dad will take me to the night market tonight.
Really? That sounds exciting.
There are so many lights and foods. It sounds fun, but be careful. Dad already told me the rules.
And do not eat too much.
Understand. Yeah.
Stay close to your father at all times.
I will. Dad, this place is beautiful.
Yes, but remember the rules.
I remember. Dad, can I try those dumplings?
Dad, can I try those dumplings?
One small plate.
Thank you. Wow, they are delicious.
Eat slowly.
Dad, can I try grilled corn too?
Just one. Huh?
Dad, can I have a sweet pancake too?
Only one.
Dad, everything looks so good.
That is enough food, Lily.
But I still feel okay.
Your stomach is small.
Dad, can I have one fried roll too?
Just one more, then no more food.
Thank you. That was amazing.
Now we stop eating.
My stomach feels funny.
Maybe you ate too much. Let's sit for a minute.
Huh? Dad, it hurts a little. We should go home. Dad, it hurts more now. I think so. Dad, I need a bathroom.
Let's find one quickly. Over there.
Dad, it won't open.
It says closed for cleaning.
Dad, I can't wait long.
We will find another one.
Lily, I need to go to the grocery store for a little while.
You still need to rest today.
That's good, but you are still weak.
I will stay on the couch.
Good. And remember one important thing. Do not open the door for anyone.
I understand.
No matter who knocks. Vow then.
I promise.
I will be back soon.
Okay, Mom.
Call me if you need anything. Rest and stay inside.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, sweetheart. My stomach still feels weak. I hope Mom comes back soon.
Maybe I should drink some water.
I should just rest quietly.
Who could that be?
Is anyone there?
Hello, dear. I am selling fresh bread.
I should stay inside.
I only need 1 minute.
My mom said not to open the door.
I understand, but I dropped my bread.
I still can't open it.
Please, dear. I am old and my back hurts.
My mom told me not to open the door for strangers.
You don't need to worry. I just need help.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
Please, dear. I can't bend down well.
Maybe I can help quickly.
Thank you. You are very kind.
I will just help for one moment. Okay. I am opening the door.
Thank you, dear.
I will help pick these up.
You are such a sweet girl.
Here is your bread.
Thank you so much.
Please take this sweet bun as a gift. It is only a little gift.
My mom said I should always be careful and think before I decide. My mom said I should always be careful and think before I decide.
Your mother is very strict.
I need to go back inside now. I really need to go inside.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Because I don't know you.